What's up, guys? We're back. I'm here with the champion. What's up, man? Congratulations, Adam.
Thank you so much, man.
Well, I
Like, for some reason, nothing is working.
oh, it's the story of my life. You said you were mentally defeated, right? So I feel like for you to win, you had to like not think about that for whatever, you know. You did
Uh,
right.
so,
Oh no. Right.
so I
Right.
was going in, with a. All right, I can do this. Like,
Right. Like after you take the first couple games, you're like, whoa.
I don't know.
Like, just like, defeated in the first place.
Laughing played like actually bad, not like decent, but bad. I was like,
Like the whole day.
yeah, I was like, when is this gonna stop? Like, yeah, I don't know. I think,
Yeah.
and
That was
then.
crazy. No, yeah, he's well, I
Because I'm working from behind,
yeah.
and
I think too what that shows you more than like how like it'll give you the edge in the future. It shows like hey, you weren't behind like you thought. You know what I'm saying?
yeah, no, it makes sense. And the thing is, like, I don't think this might sound wrong, so it felt amazing. It's been a long time since a very big win for me. Last time was Evo, actually. I've had a few second places.